Okay, now it's time for the egg. This is literally my most tested and researched recipe. Before I even got in the kitchen, I literally spent months thinking of ingredients that could mimic an egg texture, appearance, taste, etc., but that would also have nutrients that are similar to an actual egg. This is agar powder, 2 teaspoons, 2/3 cup of water. Microwave, 30-second increments. In the microwave, you're gonna wait for it to bubble up, and then it's time to take it out, and the whole consistency and appearance is gonna completely change, just so you know what to look for. So this, not quite ready yet. Just put on another 60 seconds. Shit, I wasn't monitoring this at all. 1/4 teaspoon black salt, and it's a very high sulfur salt. Adding this gives it that eggy feel. Like as soon as this interacts with liquid, it smells like egg. 1.5 cups of soy milk. I have my egg mold. Pour these in and let's start putting spoons in. Okay, let's talk about this egg yolk real quick. My favorite way is tomato with oil. I usually do an avocado oil and a little bit of black salt. Oh, fuck yeah. Wait. This is like my new favorite thing ever. How is that so good?